Hello everyone. This is my jackfruit plant, and today it has completed 18 months of growth. 18 months ago, this small plant was planted in my farm with a lot of hope. With regular care, sunlight, and natural nutrients, it has grown strong and healthy. You can see the beautiful green leaves and the strong branches developing. This stage is very important for jackfruit plants because the tree is building its structure for future fruiting. I am growing different varieties of jackfruit in my farm, and each plant is slowly adapting to the soil and climate. Healthy leaves like these show that the plant is growing well and receiving proper nutrition. In the coming years, this tree will become bigger and start producing delicious jackfruits. Growing fruit trees is a journey of patience, care, and love for nature. I will continue sharing the progress of this jackfruit plant as it grows. Thank you for watching.